Hello dear friends, welcome to Math with Amala. Here we are continuing with the chapter 2 of grade 6, whole numbers. This chapter is divided into several parts. The first one is predecessor and successor, which includes the introduction also. Second one, whole numbers. What are whole numbers will be explained here, including the natural number properties. Third one, the number line. Number line will be taught along with the addition, subtraction, multiplication of numbers using the number line. So you will study how to represent them using the number line. Next, the last one, exercise 2.1. Now let's go through each portions, each content one by one. The first one, predecessor and successor. As the name indicates, it's very clear that predecessor means something just before a number. Successor means something which is just after a number. Let's take a number 15. So its predecessor is 14 and successor is 16. Here the predecessor is actually in general number minus 1 and successor is number plus 1. So the number is 15. So predecessor of 15 is number minus 1, 15 minus 1, that is 14. Successor equal to 15 plus 1, that is 16. So these are the predecessor and successor of some particular numbers. Let's take an example, 2935. Its predecessor is of course 2935 minus 1, that is 2934. Next, the successor of the same number is 2936. Next, predecessor of 19 is 18. Successor of 19 is 20. So in general you can say it like it coming like 18, 19, 20 in an order. Now let's move to the whole number set. What do you mean by whole numbers? Before that, let's discuss about the natural numbers. Natural numbers are the common counting numbers which are starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. which start from 1. That number set along with 0. Number set along with 0 is called the whole number set. So the whole number start with 0, 1, 0 and it will be going like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. The third concept is number line. Number line is a representation of numbers on a particular straight line and it will have a 0 at the very middle, but we can't say which is the exact middle since the infinities are going towards left and right. Let's consider the right infinity. Let's consider 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 which are placed with unit distance in between them or equal distance. Let's take 6. 6 will be greater than 3, that we know. So 3 only after 3 you can place 6. So place successor of 2 and predecessor of 5 on number line means successor of 2 is 3, predecessor of 5 is 4. So you can represent them like 3 and 4. You can just round it. That's a representation. Next, addition of numbers using number line. Let's consider a number line which is having 0 and 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. placed with the equidistant markings. They are placed in equal distance in between them. Let's take 3 plus 2. These are two numbers, or you can take two whole numbers or two natural numbers. Then 3 plus 2 is 5, which means you have to jump to 4. First jump, you will reach at 4. Next jump, you will reach at 5. Okay, so the answer is 5 and you can represent that number like this. Now what is subtraction? 3 minus 1, you have to jump back. So you will reach at 2. You have to jump only once. 3 minus 1 means it is jumping towards back only once. Answer is 2. Next, the multiplication. So in the multiplication case, you have to start from the 0. 3 into 2 means, actually it means with the wordings you can say like 3 times 2 or 2 is multiplied 3 times or 3 is multiplied 2 times. In both ways you can say. Let's consider the number line. So 3 into 2 is 3 times 2. Okay, 3 times 2. So we can start from 0 and make a group of 3 numbers. Now by the first jump you will reach at 3. Then by the second jump you will reach at number 6. Thank you all for watching the video. Please stay tuned for the exercise number 2.1 on next video.